Welcome back, guys. My name is Jay from J.Crypto. I got some news for you today, but before we get started with that, I just want to get through with the disclaimers. So first, the information presented here does not constitute investment advice or an offer to invest. The statements, views, and opinions expressed in this video by me are solely for entertainment purposes. I strongly advise viewers to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, blockchain project, or ICOs, or initial coin offers. Furthermore, I do not guarantee or imply that cryptocurrency or projects published are legal in any specific viewer's location. So it is the viewer's responsibility to understand the laws regarding cryptocurrencies and ICOs in his or her country. All right. First things first, let's get some of the indicators out of the way. The Unholy Trinity by Gregory Mannarino. First one, yield rate. Okay, oh my god, it's still loading. Oh boy, keep on going. Alright, well, it's stable, slightly below, so that's a good thing. It's definitely going to put the market back up, or slightly push it up. Now, let's go with the dollar index. Alright, wait for this thing to fully load, because it could be lower than that. Okay, never mind, it's not lower. Slightly went up. It's still stable within the past couple weeks, as you can see. But yeah, this is definitely gonna put pressure in the market. Last one of the Holy Trinity is the yield, not yield rate, oil prices. So this did tank by 2%, and that too will, pull the market a little bit lower. Now, let's see here. Moving on to the cryptocurrency. Before we even get there. Hold on, guys. Alright, so as you can see, Bitcoin dominance is still stable at 48.7. It was slightly lower a couple of days ago. So the market is going up. It's mainly the alts now that are getting most of the money and not Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's dominance went down, and the current market cap is around 2.2 trillion. Just last week, when the market had a bear market, it was trading around, not trading around, it was around 1.8 trillion. So we definitely got a boost from that. And this coming May, there's a lot of great news as well as more money, and I'll show you that. So let's get with the first news. Oh boy, which one should I do? Alright, so we got JP Morgan here partnering with DBS Group and Temasek to develop blockchain-powered trade platform. Now, what's funny about this is that JP Morgan, not too long ago, was saying bad news about crypto and blockchain in general. Now, here he is, once again. Not even, it's an investment group, my bad. And these guys are now pro-crypto, and more so in the Asian region rather than the Western region, because everything's in Asia right now. Asia is the emerging market, which is why companies like Ripple, Stellar, and now JP Morgan are all over it. And we have India, all over the news. The narrative is that India got struck by the sea monster, and now everyone's like scurrying and helping them, giving them some crypto money to aid them in their recovery. But in this article, it says India today exposes how fake sea monster test reports are being sold. So I don't know what's going on, who's telling the truth or not, if this is the truth, but you know what? That's up to you. And most recently, Chinese crypto exchange HotBit goes offline after unsuccessful cyber attack. So according to this article, the cyber attackers did not get any of people's money, and they actually show their what I call address here to indicate that the funds in the hot wallet got transferred to the cold wallet for extra protection. And what the hackers only got was certain information about the customers. That is definitely not a good thing also, because, well, nobody wants their information out in the open like that. And yeah, this is definitely sad for me because I do use HotBit and I got some money in there as well as really good cryptos. So I really do hope that they're gonna go back on track within this week because I want to get some of that money out. Next one, we have Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z. So they launched 1 billion crypto venture fund. The Silicon Valley venture capitalist giant is going big for its crypto venture fund. The venture capital, oh my god, I can't even read today. So basically they have 1 billion to fund their next portfolio, and it's gonna be a lot of alts because they never specified whether it was Bitcoin or Ethereum. So for sure it's going to be going to the altcoins. So prepare for that. Next one is Canadian Bitcoin Trust is on the cusp of converting to an ETF. So just based on this, more institutional investors are definitely going to be going in crypto from the Canadian region. And this also tells us that, there's more regulations coming in because of this ETF. Okay. Now, lastly, we have CME Group. If you guys don't know CME Group, CME is basically one of the big players in the game when it comes to crypto, because these guys have a lot of money and they have currently 2 future contracts, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And yes, they do have a lot of money and they are able to manipulate the market. So what they have now is they are starting a micro Bitcoin futures on May 3rd. And this will definitely add more liquidity to the space. So expect May to be a really good month compared to April. Now, so that's it for the crypto news. The gem for this week is Matrix AI Network. So what Matrix AI Network is an open source, hold on, you know what? I'll look it up in, boom, CoinMarketCap, so that way you guys can see what I'm reading. I'll just read the first paragraph with you guys. So it's an open source distributed computing platform and operating system that melds artificial intelligence and the blockchain. Now let's go back to their website, see what they have to offer. Matrix AI, great adventure of blockchain and AI. So here's the first function of Matrix AI. First one, Manta. Manta is Man Training Assistant. Manta is an auto machine learning platform built on Matrix mainnet. It enables anyone with no technical knowledge in AI to perform machine learning on a Matrix node and get the AI models they need. Next one is Manas. Oh boy. Oh no. No. Oh fuck, it's frozen. Okay, there we go. Wow, this is terrible. This is a terrible video. Manas, Man AI Service Station. Manas is a distributed AI service platform built on Matrix mainnet. Its functions include AI model training, AI algorithmic model authentication, algorithmic model transaction, paid access to algorithmic models through API, etc. And they aim to build a distributed AI network where everyone can build, share, and profit from AI services. So they're kind of like similar to AGI, where they're a platform for artificial intelligence, but Matrix AI is positioned somewhere else where AGI isn't, and that is the One Belt, One Road initiative, which is the Belt and Road Initiative. Basically, it's China's biggest project right now, and it's poised to bring in like 30 to 40 trillion annually when it's fully built. So Matrix AI is assisting that program, and yeah, there's going to be a lot of work involved. And the next one is, oh, this one is good because it's NFT. Man Art Matrix NFT Marketplace. Man Art is a platform dedicated to AI related NFT asset generation and authentication. It has two key elements. One, the big threes of AI computing: power, data, and algorithmic models. And two, AI art. So we're going to have artificial intelligence embedded in these NFTs. So imagine having smart NFTs. And there was this one video I saw with an NFT of Darth Vader, and the person that was talking to it, and the artificial intelligence that was in Darth Vader was talking back. So just imagine the future when you have portraits and you're able to talk to it. That'd be insane. Last one is Manito. Manito, Man Industry Tech Open Platform. Manito is an industrial network service platform built on Matrix, leveraging the high performance blockchain. By incorporating AI, big data, IoT, Internet of Things, and blockchain technologies, it will be powerful. It will be a powerful tool for implementing in the fourth industrial revolution. So yeah, those are just some of it. Matrix AI's functions. Now let me show you some of their partners. And there's one particular partner that caught my eye, which is pretty much the main reason why I bought or got into it. So as you can see, there's a lot of not a lot. Most of the partners here are in Asia. See, OBOR, One Belt, One Road. That's a very big project right here, OBOR. More Asian. Oh, Texas. More Asian. We're getting there. We're getting there. What? Oh, Amazon Web Services. Boom. Stellar. There we go. I love Stellar, man. All right. So let's see what else I can give you about AI. Their update today. All right. So this is their latest update. Okay, so currently they now have 79 nodes worldwide. So having all these nodes set up is great for the project because it creates more decentralization. If all these nodes or all the the pool is in one place, then that would be like mainly centralized. So all these projects, not just Matrix AI, will benefit greatly when there's more nodes spread out throughout the whole entire globe, because that keeps the whole idea of decentralization. And let's see, here are their main updates. I'm just going to read them to you guys. They've tested and launched Wormhole for cross-chain transfers between Matrix mainnet and Binance Smart Chain. And it's a good thing because now they're going to get more liquidity from the Binance Smart Chain. And they've designed and developed hardware for fingerprint vein recognition. Well, that's good too. Adds more security to your wallet because now they need your fingerprint rather than all those little buttons and regular passwords. Third one is they designed the contract and port for loading personal bio information on chain. I don't know what that is. They've also designed the original algorithm for AI artist. They designed the network structure for auto machine learning. Wow. Formed a partnership with Big Bang Cash and became the Genesis node. They also formed a partnership with private traffic streaming platform Fun Live in the area of ad optimization with AI. Oh, geez. Wow, artificial intelligence going to that. Wow. Okay. So yeah, it's your guys' duty to look into this further. Before I end this video, I am gonna take a look at the charts for you guys and do a little quick analysis. Boom. All right. So this is my free Discord channel. You guys are more than welcome to join. I will leave the link in the description below. Let me just give you a quick rundown. So when you do join, of course, you will be in the general chat. Here you can like talk to a bunch of other people. Yeah, and if you want to check charts, of course, you can go in this section. And yep, there's a bunch of other categories in here as well. This is very beginner friendly, and if you guys want some like crypto news or crypto picks, yeah, you would go here. See that? Matrix AI, and oh, okay, well, that's 2 gems for you guys. As well as other guides as well, like learning how to stake. This is about Flare, blah blah blah. Okay, anyways, let's go back to the charts. Matrix AI. Man, USDT. Oh crap. Recording. Oh wow, 16 minutes already. All right, let's take a look at this. Matrix AI. Tether. Cool. All right, so let's see here. So its all-time high or previous high was around 22 cents. So now it's sitting around at 10 cents. So it definitely took a dip. Right now it's consolidating around the 10 cents area. In my honest opinion, I definitely think it's a good buy if you do not have any positions in Matrix AI and you wanna, risk a bit of money. Yeah, go ahead, invest if you like it. And that's not financial advice, okay? But yeah, you gotta do your own due diligence, see if you really do like this project or not, see the long-term value of this, because I am not a financial advisor, okay? And yeah, just a reminder once again that this is just for entertainment purposes only, okay? It's up to you to do your research. So that's all I got for you today. Before I close, I just want to say, yeah, thank you for listening to my video. I will get better as I go. I know I sound a little boring right now, but I'll do better next time. Because I do want to teach you guys some crypto stuff and teach you how I fish and how I made some of my money. And yes, I have made money, quite a lot. And before I go, I just want to say, press like if you like what you're listening to, and subscribe as well. I don't think I have anything else to say. Right now, I'm just more focused on moving my stuff to a new place. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated whenever I can. Thank you. Have a nice day.